Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving on some challenging and mdcat MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which of the following best describe the role of the enveloped virus? A. Protecting the viral genome. B. Assisting an attachment to and entry into host cell. C. Providing structure and integrity. And D. Replicating viral DNA. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is the process by which viral RNA is used as a template to synthesize complementary DNA is called A. Transcription. B. Reverse transcription. C. Translation. D. Replication. So the correct option is B. Reverse transcription. The next MCQ says which of the following is not a method by which viruses can be transmitted? A. Respiratory droplets. B. Direct contact. C. Binary fission. D. Insect vector. So the correct option is C. Binary fission. The next MCQ is which type of infectious agent is responsible for mad cow disease? A. Virus. B. Bacterium. C. Prion. And D. Viride. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following statement is true about prions? A. They have a lipid envelope. B. They contain only RNA. C. They are misfolded proteins. D. They cause plant disease. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which viral structure is involved in the protection of the nucleic acid and the initial attachment or to host cell? A. Capsid. B. Envelope. C. Core proteins. And D. Matrix proteins. So the correct option is A. Capsid. Which of the following describes the latent period of a virus? A. The time during which the virus is actively replicating. B. The period when viral particles are released from the host cell. C. The time during which the viral genome is integrated but not active. And D. The phase when the virus is outside a host cell. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following is an example of a virus that can cause cancer? A. Influenza virus. B. Hepatitis B virus. C. Rhinovirus. And D. Ebola virus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which process allows certain viruses to change their surface protein, thereby avoiding the immune system? A. Genetic resortment. B. Antigenic shift. C. Reverse transcription. And D. Binary fission. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which type of virus uses the enzyme integrase to insert its DNA into the host cell genome? A. DNA virus. B. RNA virus. C. retrovirus. And D. bacteriophage. So the correct option is C. Which of the following statement best describe a viroid? A. It is a proteinous infectious particle. B. It contains a short strand of RNA without a protein coat. C. It is a DNA containing virus. And D. It causes disease in animals. The correct option is B. The next MCQ is how do pyrons differs from viruses in terms of their composition? A. Pyrons lack nucleic acid. B. Pyrons have a protein coat. C. Pyrons contain RNA and DNA. D. Pyrons have a lipid envelope. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. Hope you like this. Hope these videos help you and sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.